Let's talk about the intellectual revolt against traditional security thinking, which gave rise to critical security studies. So, for most of the modern international politics, security studies हमेशा एक ही unquestioned assumption के गिर्द revolve की states survive कैसे करेंगी. But in the late 20th century, some scholars asked a deeply uncomfortable question. और उनका सवाल ये था कि why do we automatically assume the state should be the primary object of security? और इस सवाल ने security studies की field को हमेशा के लिए transform कर दिया. Let's look at what is the problem with traditional security thinking. Now, during Cold War, security studies was dominated by realism. Security meant military threats and states को nuclear deterrence चाहिए, balance of power होना चाहिए, state के survival के लिए सारी चीजें जरूरी हैं. But critical scholars argued something fundamental. और उन्होंने ये कहा कि a state can be perfectly secure while its own citizens remain oppressed, surveilled, impoverished or violently excluded. So perhaps the problem is not कि state को secure बनाना है, perhaps हम misunderstand कर रहे हैं कि security का actual मतलब क्या है और किसके लिए वो security होनी चाहिए. इसमें भी various schools of thoughts हैं. एक school of thought है जिसको कहते हैं Welsh school. It is also known as Aberystwyth school. It argues that security should not be about preserving the state. It should be about emancipation. Ken Booth famously argued that security means freeing people from constraints that prevent them from living a meaningful life. Now, war is not the only threat. States को, citizens को और भी बहुत से threats हैं. Internal threats जिसमें poverty है, authoritarianism है, structural violence है. ये सारे threats हैं जिनको recognize करना जरूरी है. इनके against भी security provide करना जरूरी है. एक और school है Copenhagen School of Thought. Copenhagen School challenged something equally powerful. It argued that threats are not always objectively real. Sometimes leaders construct करते हैं threats through their political speeches. Migration हो गया, religion हो गया, identity है, borders हैं. When elite declares something an existential danger, ordinary politics gets suspended. इसको कहते हैं securitization की theory. Security becomes an act of political power. There is another school which is called Paris School. The Paris School pushed the argument a bit further, and it argued security is not only discourse, it is also institutional practice, surveillance systems, border regimes, intelligence bureaucracies, policing networks, and sometimes states produce insecurity while claiming to provide security. So traditional security asked how do states survive external threats, and critical security studies asks a far deeper question. कौन define करता है कि security क्या है? कौन benefit करता है security policy से? And who becomes insecure in the name of security? That may be one of the most important debates in international politics. The most radical idea in security studies is very simple. Maybe protecting the state is not the same as protecting its people.